Hi, in this video, I will show you how you can get Ibis Paint for unlimited time instead of 1 hour. First, open our website and download Ibis Paint from here. You should make sure to watch the How to Download video because I don't want you to download the wrong file. Now take your time and download the file. You should pause the video here and download the zip file and bat file. As you can see, my Windows Defender all protections are enabled. Once both files are downloaded successfully, create a patch folder inside your C drive where your operating system is installed. Then, you have to create Ibis Paint folder inside the patch folder. Now, copy both files from the Downloads folder to this folder. After copying, just extract the zip file using the password. I will mention it in the video description. Now, double-click on this msix bundle and install it. After installation, go to the Start menu and uninstall Ibis Paint. After that, open the folder and copy its path. Now, go to Windows Settings and enable Developer Mode. Then go back to the folder and edit the bat file in Notepad. Now, here you have to replace the path. Now, save this Notepad file after replacing the path. After that, run this bat file as administrator. A command prompt window will appear like this. Click inside that and press the Enter key 2 times. If that blue bar completes successfully, then Ibis Paint got installed successfully. If you get a red error message in the command prompt, you may have missed a step. So watch the video again, and this time do not skip anything. There is a short way to use Ibis Paint for unlimited time, but that might get patched in the future. That's why I am showing you this method. And another reason is that I will provide many Ibis Paint alternatives like Sketchbook Pro, Medibang, and many others. All software installation methods will be the same. You need to install them only once. Now you can use Ibis Paint. Use the demo mode. Once it reaches 1 hour, simply go back and uninstall Ibis Paint X from the Start menu. After that, run this bat file again and you can use Ibis Paint X again. All your files will be saved. It won't affect your files if you reinstall Ibis Paint X. Now repeat this process and you'll have unlimited time for Ibis Paint X for free. As I mentioned earlier, the installation methods I provide for the other software will remain the same. So follow this method and enjoy. Next video will be about Procreate on Windows without an emulator. If you find this video useful, then please like the video and share it with others. Also, give me feedback in the comments on which software you want next. Please do subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. I will see you next time. Till then, goodbye.